So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Atul. You guys are watching Xenonphotography, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about how to make photos like that. This is the after and this is before. So let's get into the video. First of all, you just have to make it 4x5 for the Instagram, and then here you can see I just I set the exposure and color of the photo so I can edit it properly. And then after, I just colored her skin. You can see I just gave it a like yellowish red color, and after that there is a group for color. You can see guys, here I'm giving the values. Yellows, you can see yellow. In yellow, cyan is set to 87 and magenta is +1, and yellow is about -100 and black is 30. So with this value you're gonna get this. And for another layer there are the values. It might be different for your photos. So it should be in your mind. And after that, I just set these values. To cyan to 100. You can see, and magenta to -16. You can also play with other values. After all, it's depend on the personal taste. And then you can see the values, and then there's another layer of selective color layer, and in this again cyan is set to 100, magenta is set to 72, and yellow is -100, black is +41. So that's all for this group. And I just separated the sky from these colors, so it should also depend on you what you want. After that, I gave some kind of red and orange color to her hair. You can see look pretty nice with this color, with blue, violet blues kind of. And after that, I just added a flare kind of thing with this you can see, and then I added a curve layer so I can make it pop more. And after that, I added a layer from there and go to highlights, and you can select soft light, so you can get this 50% gray layer. I'm not gonna get it because I already have it. And then I made his face like that, like more 3D face. If you want another tutorial on this, you can comment. And then again I add some vibrance. You can see vibrance value 65. Also you can play with saturation as well, but it's fine for me. And after that, again I select, and after that I also added another selective layer for her ears. And this I selected red and yellow. You can see the values here. I added some kind of blue color in her eyes for make it more pop, and added some glow by using curves, you can see. And after that I grouped all the layers and make it separate layer. And after that this editing is very completed, but I was thinking that there is something missing, so I added some kind of foreground here by using content of photos like this. I added some kind of select and blurring it. I blurred it, and first that's it. And then for making her face pop more and bright, I added levels, you can see values, so she can get face like this. So that's the editing part. Thanks for watching. Here is my Instagram, you can see. So guys, please do follow. For new posts, and I also upload some reels or tutorials of Photoshop. So please do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thanks for watching.